William Shakespeare described jealousy as the green-eyed monster. Most of us know jealousy from experience as a deeply negative emotion that arises when an important relationship is threatened by a rival. Romantic jealousy evolved as a measure to avoid infidelity, limited food, resources, or attention from the loved ones with multiple competing individuals is another case where we see jealousy emerge, as in case of siblings rivalry. Primary emotions such as fear, anger, disgust, joy, and surprise are considered to be universal. Secondary emotions such as guilt, shame, jealousy, and envy are thought to require more complex cognitive processes. For example, in case of jealousy, you have to actively pay attention to rival and consider his possible threat to important relationship. But how does a 2-year-old child react to the jealousy? These kids are enjoying playtime, but now we are asking the mothers to shift their attention away from them. The babies don't seem to mind if mom is on the phone or reading the book. But how do you think they will react when mom starts showering her attention on this lifelike doll? These babies are now showing the clear signs of jealousy. And that's not all. Both of our toddlers are actively showing resentment towards our doll. For centuries, dogs have been labeled as the man's best friend, offering companionship and loyalty to their human counterparts. Human canine bond can be traced back to at least 15,000 years ago. Our two dogs, Ruby and Emma, didn't mind being ignored while their owners were busy playing with their phones and other lifeless objects. But what do you think will happen when their owners start showering attention on this toy dog? Say hello to Dinku. Now that Dinku is getting all the love, Ruby is on high alert and she is vying for her owner's attention. In the similar way, almost instantly, Emma goes on the offensive. Although these pups are not happy, there's a good reason that dogs are wired to get worried when they are not getting all the attention. One possibility is that jealousy evolved in species that have multiple young competing for parental resources such as food, care, and attention. Being a little whiny can improve your odds of survival, whether you are born as a baby or a puppy.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine.